Last week we looked at the developmental theories of play, mainly Piaget, Erikson, Freud even, and how they believe that every child, no matter where you are, go through the same stages according to their age. This week, we're really challenging that idea by looking at some post-developmental theories. And post-developmental theories actually believe that there's many factors that can impact upon play, and there's many cultural factors that can impact upon play. So our modules for this week, it begins by a video that looks at how children play around the world. And I think it's really powerful because it shows us that actually play isn't simple. It's complex, it's fluid, it's ever-changing. And what can impact upon you in one country can be totally different to another child in another country. That play isn't the same for every child. And there's many things that can impact upon it. So this week we're going to be looking at a few different theorists. One of these is obviously Marilyn Fleer and her idea of conceptual play. Now I've put a link below. It's actually by Monash University, but they give some really great ideas as to what conceptual play looks like in both the early years and primary settings. And so I wanted to show those examples. So I have a read through that because I think it's really great. There's also Schussbar, there's Krastoff and Krastoven, and there's a few other ones, and you might find some as you come across your research. So this week, think about how you can apply these theories into your practice, but also think about a critical lens onto play. So McArdle and Gray-Shaber, I think it is, although it should be Gray-Shaber and McArdle, sorry. They really view play through a critical lens and look at things like how globalization and the financial crisis all impact upon play and change play. So do your readings, and I look forward to seeing your contributions on the discussion board this week. Have a great week, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon.